Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, where we explore the rich world of words and their meanings. Today, we're shedding light on the terms hypocrisy. So, what does hypocrisy mean? In simple terms, hypocrisy refers to the practice of claiming to have moral standards or beliefs to which one's own behavior does not conform. It's when someone pretends to be something they're not. According to the dictionary, hypocrisy is defined as the behavior of people who do things that they tell other people not to do. It's about acting in contradiction to one's stated beliefs or feelings. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for hypocrisy. These include a duplicity, insincerity, pretense, and a deceit. Each of these words captures different facets of hypocrisy, enriching your understanding and expression. For instance, duplicity emphasizes deceitfulness, while insincerity highlights a lack of genuine feeling. Using these synonyms appropriately can add depth to your communication. That concludes our exploration of a hypocrisy. Expanding your vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills but also broadens your perspective. Stay tuned for more word insights on Thesaurus Thrive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Keep thriving with words.